Welcome to our channel. Today we how to redeem membership rewards with American Express, points guide step by step clearly. To redeem membership rewards with American Express, begin by logging into your American Express account. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section of the website or app. Select the option for redeeming membership rewards points. You will see various categories for redemption, such as travel, gift cards, shopping, and more. Choose the category that best suits your needs. If you want to book travel, select the travel option. You can either book directly through the American Express travel portal or transfer points to airline and hotel partners. If you choose to transfer points, review the list of partner programs available. Select your desired partner and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. For gift cards, browse through the selection and choose the amount you wish to redeem. Add the gift card to your cart and confirm your redemption. Next, if you want to make purchases at retail, select the shopping option. You can pick from various merchants and use your points at checkout. For account credit, locate the option to apply points towards your balance. Follow the instructions to apply your points directly to your account. Once you have made your selections, review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Finally, confirm your redemption and retain any confirmation details for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.